Hello, welcome to another productive series. In today's series, we would be solving a practical substitution into formula question in mathematics. So let's quickly solve the question of the day, right? So our question of the day is, right, if A equals 4, B equals 9, and C equals 16. Simplify the fraction A over B minus 1 whole number 7 over 9 plus the fraction B over C, right? So let's quickly solve it. So this is substitution into formula, so you just have to insert our given values into our given formula, right? So our given formula or equation is giving us the fraction A over B minus 1 whole number 7 over 9 plus B, the fraction B over C, right? Where A equals 4, so where A equals 4, B equals 9, and C equals 16, right? So we only have to insert our given values into our given equation, right? So we are going to have A, which is 4, the fraction 4 over 9 minus 1 whole number 7 over 9 plus the fraction B over C, which is B 9 over 16, right? So let's simplify further. So we are going to have the fraction 4 over 9 minus, so we have to simplify it by multiplying 9 by 1. 9 multiplying 1 is 9, right? Plus 7 will give us 16. So we are going to get the fraction 16 over 9. So 9 multiplying 1, which is 9, plus 7. Okay, all over the denominator here, which is 9. So we are going to have 16 over 9 plus 9 over 16, right? 7 over 48 as our final answer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do what to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.